Hi, I'm Chef Neil, VitaFlow's Keto Chef. I'm going to show you how to make MKD bread rolls. Preheat the oven to 160 fan. Add all dry ingredients together. Add egg white and vinegar. Mix until the paste is formed. Add boiling water to the mixture. Weigh the dough and divide into 6 equal portions. Using your hand, roll into a bread roll shape. Place onto a baking tray, brush with oil. Put into the oven to bake for 15 minutes or until golden brown. When cooked, place onto a wire rack to cool. You'll have great MKD rolls to use as you please.